What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting. It's Wednesday, so it's time for What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're going to start outside the shop today in the parking lot. We've got a Porsche Cayenne. This one was here for Clearplex windshield protection. It previously was here for full front end protection with XPEL and a ceramic coating and a radar detection system. We've also got an F-150. We just finished this one up. It got the front windows and a visor tinted. And Nate is currently backing an S65 Amg out of the tint bay. You guys might remember this car from a couple of weeks ago. It was here for a variety of things: paint protection film, a paint correction, a ceramic pro gold package, and a radar detection system with laser jammers. It's back today for Clearplex as well. Got a Bullet Mustang. This was from last year. Did a whole bunch of Bullets last year, and this one's back for a ceramic pro annual maintenance. BMW M2 competition. This looks probably familiar from a couple weeks ago, but it's not the same car, just the exact same color and body and all that stuff. So we did full front end protection with XPEL, so the hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors, and it's next up for a ceramic pro gold package. This RAV4 is here for window tint. I think they're just getting ready to pull that one inside. And a couple cool things down here. We've got a Mitsubishi 3000 GT. These cars are pretty difficult to tint, but we've done a few of them. The owner of this apparently called around to some other shops and everybody told him they wouldn't touch it. We, of course, will do that. So it's sitting here now. I think it's probably going to get tinted tomorrow. We're trying to find a break in the schedule for it. And this monstrosity is, I think, a 41-foot or something fifth wheel camper. And this just got a full detail. So we went over the whole exterior of it, washed it, clay barred it, polished. There was a lot of black streaks coming down the side of it. We polished those all out. And then we went over it with our ceramic 3-in-1 from Griot's Garage. We've got a Dodge Ram. This one also just came out of the tint bay. We tinted the front windows and a visor on this truck. And this car also might look familiar, but it's also a different car. This is an X3M competition. We just finished up an X5M competition. This one's here for front end protection. Same deal, hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. And it's next on in line for a ceramic coating as well. I think Jimmy's doing that one. Mr. Barbish brought us another truck. There's always a Barbish truck here. This one's a new one, and we installed a CB in this truck. We're also going to tint the windows, do a ceramic sport coat on. We installed the wheel covers that you're seeing now and some paint protection film. So he has a problem with these toolboxes. He said the top corners of these get chipped up really bad, and same with the front of the box from the front wheels. So we installed paint protection film on that to stop that from happening. So inside the shop, we've got a lot of things happening as well. We've got a Chevy Silverado. This was here for a full paint correction and a ceramic pro gold package. The paint on this truck was really bad. Jimmy did an awesome job. He's been polishing it for almost 3 full days now, but when it's done, it's gonna look like a mirror. Up on the lift, we've got a Cayman GTS. This car was here for paint protection film. We're just finishing it up. So entire front end protection as well as rocker panels. Jimmy is polishing down this X5M competition. So this car was here a couple of weeks ago for a ceramic coating, and when he brought it back for our 2-week wash, we always give a complimentary 2-week wash. It was covered in really heavy water spots, so we don't know what happened from the time that it left and the time that it got here, but maybe that happened while the coating was curing a little bit and it etched it. So Jimmy's making sure we get those all taken care of for the customer so it looks good again. So over on this side, we've got a C6 Z06, probably remembered from last week. It was here for window tint and a ceramic coating as well as a polish. The paint on this thing looks absolutely ridiculous. There's only a couple thousand miles on this, I think 4,000. Patrick did a fantastic job. And currently he's ceramic coating some Louis Vuitton purses. So if you're into purses or have a lady in your life that is into purses, you know they're very expensive, and we're coating it to help protect it from the elements and keep it clean. Over here in the detail bay, we've got 2 cars. We've got a Toyota Highlander getting a mini detail package, and Jake's working on a Nissan 370Z. That one's getting more of a full detail called our seasonal package. And they pulled in the RAV4 that we talked about earlier. So that's it for what's going on in the shop. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. Give us a thumbs up, comment on it, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next week.